In this question, you have to identify the type of conservation in which the threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in special setting where they can be protected and given special care. Option A, semi-conservative method. It is incorrect because this term is related usually to DNA replication and not conservation. Option B, enzyme activation. Now, this is also incorrect because this term usually refers to biochemical process and not biodiversity conservation. Option C, in situ conservation. Now, this is also incorrect because this involves protecting species in their natural habitats, such as national parks or wildlife sanctuaries. Option D, biodiversity conservation. Now, this type of conservation in which threatened species are taken out from their natural habitat and placed in special settings where they can be protected and given special care is called ex situ conservation, which is a type of biodiversity conservation. Hence, this is the correct option.